This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking intent. Know who you target and what outcome you want, because intent drives keyword choice. Next, gather 10 seed topics from product pages, FAQ, or competitor headlines, then enter them into a keyword tool with location and language set. Once done, glance at volume and difficulty columns to spot immediate wins. Make sure to export results to a spreadsheet so you can sort. This gets you into the data quickly. No setup detours, just usable inputs. Now expand the raw list. Pull related searches, questions, and long-tail suggestions to capture realistic user phrasing because long tails convert better. Then filter, set minimum volume thresholds, remove irrelevant intent, and cap difficulty to what you can realistically rank for. Once filtered, cluster phrases into topical groups of 5-10 keywords each so one page can target a cluster. Make sure to annotate intent per cluster. Informational, transactional. Finish by scoring clusters for ROI. Combine traffic potential, conversion likelihood, and required effort into a simple 1-5 priority. Pick a target keyword per cluster and draft title, meta, and an 800 to 500 word content outline that satisfies user intent. Publish prioritized content and track rankings weekly, then re-optimize monthly based on performance metrics. If rankings stall, check search intent mismatch. Adjust content angle or add depth. That single fix resolves most stuck campaigns quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.